Hey guys, welcome back for another Dos Caminos episode. And today we're actually going to make some progress. We got our torque converter in finally that we've been waiting for like a month. That's why there's been not a lot happening with this thing. And on today we're going to join up this motor, our freshly rebuilt 305 Chevy, a little bit of head work, some cam. We got a nice intake and ignition for it, so it should run real nice. Total in this build, about 600 bucks. So doing it at home, and I guess we'll see in a little while that how it runs, but it should be a real nice piece for just a daily driver. Smooth, quiet, good torque, all that kind of good stuff. And we got our converter in. We'll open this up. Engine bay's cleaned, prepped. It is what it is. It's a budget build, it's not a show car, but everything's clean and sprayed, so it's, you know, it's okay. Transmission's here. We got a new pump seal to go with our new converter, some new fluid. Should be good. Hopefully by the end of today, we can get most of this mess off this table. We've gone ahead and deleted things that aren't needed for this build. We've got a bunch of new parts. Bunch of new parts in the back of the truck. There's a new intake. There's coolant. This is transmission fluid, gaskets, things, everything we need. Hopefully this won't look like a big bag of shit after today either. We'll get rid of most of this, and what's left, it's gonna hit the garbage. So let me get some things put away and stuff like that, so I got room to drop this engine in. Maybe we'll push that car back a little bit, give us a little bit more room. It rolls real nice. Open up our converter, get our converter put on the trans, get the engine off the engine stand here and on the hoist so we can drop it down so we can bolt up our transmission to it and get it sunk in this thing. So let me get started here. All right, engine's off the engine stand finally. And put our flywheel on so we can go ahead and, once we finish prepping the trans, we can put the transmission onto the motor and dip it in. So, flywheel bolts, socket, Loctite, you know the drill. Okay, just like that, easy, right? Bolt them on, torque them on, use a stop to keep the flywheel from turning while you're torquing, and voila, it's all done. So now, let's unbox that torque converter, replace the front pump seal on that trans, and smash them together. Okay guys, here's our reban converter from Cobra Transmissions. Not sponsored, not anything. They were just like the best price. Took forever to get, but that's them. Can recommend or non-recommend, I don't know yet. But that's just where this stuff came from. Packed up nice. Oh yeah. Looks like a converter. Yeah. So, like I said, we got a pump seal to replace, and we'll fill this with some fluid, get it on the trans, and I guess we'll know in a couple days how this thing works. Okay. Okay, new trans seal. Here's the old one. That was super dry, so good thing we changed it. New converter. I mean, put some fluid in it, popped in, clicked in, locked into place, no problems. And so far so good with that. Now we just gotta put that on that. All right guys, as you can plainly see, motors on the trans, car's backed up. Hopefully this is not too much of a shit show, and should go in pretty easy since there's really no dressing on the motor. So it should slip right in. Should. We'll see. All right, guys, short time later, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever it was. Motor's back in the car. Kind of slipped right in. I didn't have the arm out long enough on the hoist because I just didn't, but after I figured that out, it basically slid right in. No problems whatsoever. These usually go underneath the motor mount, but they're gonna get replaced anyway. So, there you go. Progress on the car finally. And we're gonna have to make this a short video today, guys. We got some stuff going on at the house, so I'm gonna wrap this up for today. But at least the engine's in. There's some progress on our Dos Caminos project. Okay, I know Shannon's got the other one, but this one, the bulk of the work is done. Right, we rebuilt the motor, new seal and converter on the trans, cleaned up the engine bay, got rid of a lot of excess wiring and hackery and things that went on before I've seen this vehicle. Now we basically just have to dress the motor, accessories, distributor carb, etc. Fire it up, back it out, and go for a ride. So that's where we're going to stop it for today, guys. Appreciate each and every one of you. You're all looking fabulous, by the way, so keep it up. And questions, comments, concerns below. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.